Hi everyone, this is Marie again. So now I'm cooking chicken adobo. I'm frying lightly brown the chicken because it's tastier than just like putting all together. So I'm frying it now. It's lightly brown, and I will transfer this chicken on this one. You see, because one of the family members wants to have chicken adobo for the 4th of July. So I said, why not? It's easy to make. There you go. And this one here, the leftover oil, what I will do is I slice an onion and garlic, and I will just saute a little this on the pan where I fried the chicken. Now I will just transfer this onion, garlic saute in this pan. And then on this one, to make the sauce, you put vinegar, soy, and I have here laurel leaves. And black pepper. And now I will add some chicken broth. I will add the 1 can of chicken broth. So don't forget to cover your pan and then cook it in a medium heat for an hour. Hi guys, my adobo is ready. It's cooked and look yummy. Now I have a plated adobo with rice with pickled cucumber. Come on, let's eat. Thank you for watching. Enjoy.